guys, we're going to unbox BTS Tiny 10. Yay! Leah, what did you got?
I got rice.
Okay. Let's unbox it. What we got? Jin? From BT. Yeah, Jinu. Is it wow! Jinu looks so good, but it's actually Jin, right?
Yeah.
And he's good, right? Hello, Leah.
Hello.
I'm Jinu.
Hi, Gino.
Did you see Rumi?
I don't know.
Okay, bye-bye. Guys, I got this from McDonald's. And it has something. It has some RM Jean. I think Jean that I got. Jean is what I got. I wish I got Jungkook. I want Jungkook. I want Jungkook. Guys, what should I get? I will just get this. This is only if I ever got Jungkook and J-Hope and Jimin, I will freak out. But there's only one box. His hair looks good, except why he has a hole in. Let's explore. There's nothing. It's so nice. That is Gino, right? It's Gino, right? Right, Leah?
I have a yellow t-shirt.
Yellow t-shirt? Because it's Gino. He likes yellow t-shirt. Because it should need and free me and then tea and free me so refresh. Gino! Yeah. Yeah. They sing Soda Pop. Saja Boys. Pero they're known as BTS. BTS or Saja Boys. Guys, they're Saja Boys but they're BTS. And bye-bye guys. See you in the next video, right? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.